Who said it? Oh, the guy with his ass sticking out? Up.
Right in the booty hole.
I missed the first one. I'm not used to this trigger. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
That's not allowed.
Oh my God, is that? Hey, remember that thing you said earlier?
Oh. You know, hablo inglés.
Man, I forgot how much I hate using a red dot. Stop picking your ass, dude.
Yeah, dude, I keep fucking wedging
That's
my
twice. What?
Okay, ready?
I gotta get used to finding my dot again, dude. I keep tilting it down too low because I'm used to aiming down the side.
What is the loadout for today? Oh! I don't think he knew that was a Filato.
What's up guys, my name's Eddie and today I'm trying out the new LTX competition pistol. It's a TP22. Sent to me by Lancer Tactical. To sum things up, this is a G-Spec Glock 18 with a switch. A nice factory slide with a TDC hop adjustment on top, outer barrel mounted RMR plate, and a M&P style grip, which when it all comes together makes me not hate it. And I really hate airsoft Glocks. I have to send this one back after the video because this is the only one in existence right now, but I'm gonna ask for one when they come out in May because it's pretty baller. One last thing, as always, this channel is sponsored by LA Airsoft, where you can find the best airsoft parts and upgrades, and by my generous patron and channel members who are funding my Costco hot dog runs. Thanks guys, let's get into the video.
Die, you raise your hand, you take a knee. Right?
It's the good way.
The only way to be revived is if your teammate shoots you.
Now this is the way you're supposed to play Buddy Medic. This is why I was always so excited for it. Until Derek ruined everything.
I won't start it. So basically you're just all medics and you revive each other by shooting each other. Yeah. I fuck with that heavy, man. I like you. Alright, fine. I like you. I like you.
What if some butthole is just shooting some dude on the floor for 5 minutes? No one would do that, right?
But if an enemy comes up and touches you or taps you on the shoulder, then you just go to the deadlock. How about that? Is that good? Is that better? I bet.
Back left. 14 rifles on back right. Oh my God, I was dry firing. That's unfortunate. That should have been a free kill. What in the hell, dude? He's getting revived. What the hell?
I got hit again.
Ah, I'm hit. Look, I'm going to grab my mag. Don't shoot me. It took you guys a long time to take me out. Goddamn. Huh?
Someone revive you? You said what?
What?
It's something about reviving. Oh,
I said they kept instantly reviving. They were on top of it.
I know.
So I'm just like, bah, bah, bah. You gotta kill whoever you kill and the person who can see them. One home. Up. How many times do I have to shoot you? Andrew's on it. Can you grab it? I'm watching this. I'm watching this. He's back alive. Andrew, poison! Nice. Woo! Hey, my poison. My poison! Andrew, look inside! Ooh. Ooh. Woo! Hey, they're all over right here. Hey, we're gonna fucking die. We're gonna die, Frank. It's like Black Hawk Down for real. Damn, that thing's sticky.
What? It's finally fixed. You want to give it a try?
Sure.
How you doing, man?
Good. Same as last. Hey, that's a really light trigger. Pretty
And it
nice.
would pass speed test. That's great. That's way pushing back though. The side. That's speed pushing back. Pushing back on it.
What do you mean the speed test?
Meaning on any competition one, you can't have any.
They never check for that. Wait, you doing the Three Stooges when he tries to poke him in the eyes and you go, what?
I don't know, it's trying to cover my winky face to the public. Because we actually are trying to f him in the
There's no context for what you just said. Put that in. Andrew's friend is back. He caught it. That means you're out. Dodgeball rules. Andrew, turn around. Ooh, this shit's really good.
I can't hear out of my right ear now.
What?
I can't hear out of my right ear now.
What?
Huh?
What the hell? I didn't hear you at all.
Hey. All right.
Nice to you, Eddie.
Never be nice to me. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Andrew! I found your child. Where's Andrew? I found his child.
I already got 3 kills with it.
Going the long way around? Yeah.
The long way. You gonna be faster than me?
Nope.
Okay. I'm here.
Fuck you, dude. I'm gonna kill you.
Alright, we're just gonna do a SPTV half field. So, house in the middle of the floor.
Got lost in the sauce a little bit. Get up! Get the fuck up! Get up! If you lose, you're kicked off the team. The one's out. Get out! Get out! Go ahead! Go ahead! Get out! Oh, that's crazy though. Get out!
Good shot, man.
Thanks, man. I'm trying with this fucking optic. I can't do it.